Guys, what is up? It's Melanie and today we're doing another haul. I know this is really embarrassing because my recent video was like cleaning out my closet and my room, and that's been my huge project, but thrift store has been going so hard recently and I have a huge collection of things I've thrifted, a couple of things I bought too that I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's get straight into it. Let me know if you want to see more fashion videos on here, but I also have a lot on TikTok and Instagram, so check out those. Alright, starting off, this trip to the thrift store, like I did not expect it to be so good, but it was amazing. And I got so much color, which is funny because the entire time I was cleaning out my closet, I was getting rid of color because I like don't wear color. Anyways, first, this dress, I think it's gorgeous. It might be a little formal for me, but I feel like I could dress it, you know, however I want. It's a very like nice quality. It's very long, great condition, and I just think the print is absolutely gorgeous. It's so garden, so watercolor. I love it, and I've been loving like long skirts and dresses. I grabbed this shirt on the way out and I'm not even mad about it. It is so unique. It has little pom-pom like dots, like very nice texture on it, and it's this very pretty like striped but muted colored print. I think it's just so unique. I think it's very nice and light, but like a good summer light cover up. I can't wait to wear this. I think it's so funky and fun. I have a terrible line between like thinking something is very unique and cool and wanting it and then getting it and never wearing it. So cross our fingers that I actually wear these things. But I'm convincing myself it's a universal experience because I think that a lot of people do that when they go to the thrift store. So cheap, there's only one of them, it's not gonna be there if you go back. So I'm like, I'm gonna get this funky little top and then I never wear it. I got this. I think it's so cute. It looks like a little kid would wear it, but I also just love it, which is really odd because it's so colorful. But I thought it would just look good with like some white bottoms or like a very muted bottom. Also just like as a beach cover up or something. I really like when hoodies are sweater material. I think it's cool. Has a hood. It's like summer casual. I also got this skirt, which I think was the find of the day. It has a denim top. I don't know if it was hand sewn, but you can tell it was like altered and taken in, which is nice because that means if my waist gets bigger, I can still wear this. Very like tiered with striped and then floral pattern. The back is embroidered. I just think this skirt is the cutest thing ever. So funky, so unique. I love like looking in the little girls section because perks of being 5 feet tall. Going off that note, perks of looking in the little boys section, I just got this little boys dress vest, but I want to dress it like cropped vest look that's been very in and very like city chic on Pinterest. So I got this one and it was like $2. It's great. It's like a nice navy color. It has very faint stripe. That's why I just like love thrifting. I feel like it's so great for like experimenting with stuff because like at most if you like don't like the item, you just lose like $5, you know? I got these Tommy Bahama shorts. I think they're really cute. They're like guys swimming trunks, but I initially just got them to wear as women's shorts. They're big on me, but I just like roll my shorts and it's fine. But I think this will be great for like a little beach trip, a little lake trip, a little summer action hiking. I don't know. Love the embroidery on it though. Think it's really cute. These two items were from Plato's Closet when I was like unfortunately going to sell clothes and then I come back with items too. Anyways, I'm not mad about it because I really like these two items. Firstly, I just got this top from Brandy and I know I've been eyeing it like whenever I go in the store, but I got it at Plato's for $9, which is a win in my book. It's just a nice little tank top. Is this even called a tank top? It's not a muscle tee, right? These two like very neutral shades, which we all know. I love the neutral. Some kind of like collegiate look to it or like athletic look. Then I also got these like linen black pants. I just thought that the cut looked really nice of them because they look very cropped but very wide, which is exactly what I look for in a pant, and I was kind of wanting some more pants that just like aren't jeans. I have my perfect amount of jeans. I really don't need more, but I wanted some comfy summer pants, like aka more linen stuff. So I like these. They fit great. Stretchy waistband. Love it. These two items are not from the thrift store, but I still want to show them. These are from Marshall's. I included it in a little TikTok haul, like shop with me, but they're from the brand Splendid, which is like so expensive, but I got them at Marshall's for like $30, which I'm happy about. And the cut of these, they're like my dream pants. I don't know what this material is called. It's not like linen, but same vibe. Very summer, very like beach-esque, but they're so soft, so comfy. Like I swear comfier than pajamas. They're so wide leg. It almost looks like a skirt. I just love wide leg stuff. I like hope it never goes out of style. These might be my favorite pants right now. I am obsessed with them. I'm also obsessed with these, but they're literally just sweatpants from Brandy. I like treated myself to a little Brandy trip after I took my summer class midterm and I was like, okay, you can pick something out. And of course I gravitated towards sweatpants. I really like these. I really wanted like more specifically like a waffle print fabric of sweatpants. I feel like it's a lot lighter and like more flowy. I like the fit of them. They're so comfy. I think they're like my summer sweatpants. Also picked up this little top from Brandy, which I really like. It's pretty simple, but it has like the lettuce stretchy trim. It's really comfy. I don't know what this material is called either, but I really like it. Love the little bow. I think it's great. I don't know, I think it looks so cute paired with a long skirt, but then again, you can just wear it with jeans or literally anything. It's a white top. My weakness is white tops. I will keep buying white tops until the day I die. Next, I have a buttload of stuff from garage sales. I found like this neighborhood garage sale close by, and guys, I went a little bit crazy, but I got like so much stuff and all of it was like $1 or $2 each, and I was just shook because some of those things had tags on them. I was like, this is a thrifter's dream. Never went so hard at a garage sale before, and I was like, maybe this needs to be my new hobby, my summer hobby. Anyways, I did buy a couple things that I definitely would not have bought like at a regular store or probably even a thrift store, but it was just staring at me for $1. So hopefully I style them and wear them, but we'll see. I got the striped top. This is one of the things I was like, is this ugly? Is this ugly? I don't know. I think it'll look cute. I think it's fine. I'm going through a little stripes phase. So plain t-shirt. Okay, another plain t-shirt, but it's like Banana Republic and very thick. So you know like when you see a top where like the shape of it is just nice? That's what happened here. This one is just a long sleeve. It's Gap, which I just like Gap. It's really thick, like almost close to sweater material, but it's just a long sleeve. Love the muted blue. Also got this one, which I thought was fun. Once again, I love the stripes. I love it when there's just like one stripe through. I don't know. I think it's so like 80s school vibe. I don't know if 80s is the right decade, but you know, got that. It's Eddie Bauer too. Very thick. Okay, and this one is like really questionable. Like I kind of regret it really hard, but I could also see myself wearing it and liking it a lot. Is this really like outdated Forever 21 dress? Like it has this Roman numeral for 21, right? Like I think it's Forever 21. But something about the shape of it, it kind of gives substitute librarian vibes. You know, honestly, I'll just wear it to sleep if I don't wear it out. I'm like really second guessing myself right here. Someone please tell me it was cute. Anyways, oh my gosh, this house was a total hit. Each item was $2. This dress, oh my gosh, it's so soft. It had a tag on it. It's mink pink, which I don't know the brand, but I like the name of it. I looked it up and the dresses retail for like $120, so I was like, shoo, okay. It's just this really flowy black dress. It kind of looks like nothing right now, but hopefully you can figure a way to style it. It kind of has like layered sleeves, which I'm like attracted to, but yeah, I don't know. I don't want it to look too frumpy. So I think maybe like a belt would do this justice. I'm excited for it. It's super soft. It's very like silky, and I feel like I could style this very elegantly. I got these like cargo hiker looking shorts, which is exactly what I've been looking for at the thrift store. I had luck at this garage sale, which was amazing because $2 for these is awesome. They have huge pockets and they're like thin. They have a drawstring. I don't know, kind of Fisher, very P&W-esque, you know, but exactly what I was looking for. Cherry on top, I got this, which I definitely don't need, but I think it's gonna be the perfect summer beach cover up because it has these really big holes. It's kind of like a doily, but it's just a deep cut. It has those little like strings. I don't know. I think it's super cool, but also definitely doesn't have to be a cover up. You could totally style this. Super cool in an outfit too. And then as if that wasn't enough, we also stopped off at a thrift store on the way home because they were having this huge outdoor sale and it was 50% off everything outside, which was insane because the prices were already so good. Oh my gosh, guys, it was my lucky day. So first off, I spotted this vest and I said absolutely I am buying this right now because I don't know, I've been going on a little vest spree because I think they look really cute in the summer, like if you just wear it as a top and don't wear anything under it, but then obviously you can wear it during the winter too with like a sweatshirt underneath. This one has a really cool like dark floral, so I feel like it would look cute in the summer or the winter. The quality is amazing. Can't wait to wear this. I got this really oversized shirt, kind of like ribbed. You could tell it's really good quality. It is in fact an extra large, but I think it's really cool. Giving kind of like that, you know, same as that striped shirt earlier. Cool 80s retro-y. And then lastly from that thrift store, I got this, which obviously wrong season, but it was an investment for the future because the quality is amazing. It's very thick, very good Christmas vibe. I don't know, I'm just a sucker for a Christmas sweater like all year round, but I really like it. I like how it's the light blue on top and the dark blue on the bottom. I think it's kind of fun and color block. Oversized. I like the collar too. So had me sold. Guys, oh my goodness. I have to go quick. You guys saw my little Father's Day vlog. I went to the thrift store with my dad because they were also having a 50% off deal on that day, and I got a couple things. My dad did not buy any clothes, which was kind of lame. He only got light bulbs, but that's okay. You do you. Anyways, I got this super cute dress set. Oh my god. I don't know where I would ever wear this. It's so elegant, but I thought it was too cool to not pick up. It kind of has like this really cool print on it. Champagne colored. It has this nice little flap. It fits really well. It's a nice long dress. It has a beautiful slit in the leg. And get this, it also came with this little matching like cover up thing, so I feel like I could definitely wear this. I don't know, sometimes when I see really formal stuff and I just think it's cool, I'll just get it, sit in my closet until I, you know, find a place to wear it. But this is so cool, and it was like $7 for both of them together. I also got these like boys dress pants. They're kind of like green gray. They kind of have like light striping on them. I just thought these were really cool. I wanted some more like dressy pants. They were really cheap. They're like $2, and they actually ended up fitting perfect, so great find. And then this top, I'm just a sucker for the polka dots sometimes. I think it's so cute, and it also has ribbons for a little bow tie in the back, which I'm a sucker for bows also. Great quality. It's a v-neck. It was once again like $2 with the sale, so I was like, I can't help myself. A couple more things from the thrift store. Vest. Oh my gosh, quilted. I really like this one. It's a mix of like quilt and the corduroy trim. I haven't gotten to wear it yet, but I'm excited to style this. Once again, it can be worn as like a top or a cover up. These overalls were a bit of a stretch, but honestly they fit perfectly. They're just kind of like weird because this is the front, but it has like butt looking pockets, and then this is the back, so it's like kind of backless. But honestly, I think it's just like a chicer kind of overall. There's Zara Girl. Apparently I've been going crazy with the overalls, but I've also been going kind of crazy getting stuff on Poshmark since I've been selling stuff, and I've just been like on the app. I started buying stuff too. Like, I don't know what happened. I'd be spending all my earnings, but I'm really happy with these. I've been wanting cream overalls for a really long time, so I just got these ones. They're in great condition. They're just like slightly oversized on me, actually from Old Navy, so I low-key feel like I spent more on Poshmark than I would have if I got them at Old Navy, but I don't care. I like them a lot. They fit well. I got this dress from the thrift store. It is so cute. Very sheer material, and it's kind of like reaching a midi length on me. It has these little ties. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a sleep dress, but I'm wearing this out for sure. Okay guys, these are the last things. I promise this has been a big haul. Of this little bunch, only this was thrifted. This is a nice long white dress. It's from Lulu's. I think it's gorgeous and would be so good for layering because the bottom is just like a long white skirt, and it's so comfy, and it has kind of that like stretchy top, so you don't need a bra with it. And then it has little ties for the sleeves, which I also think is perfect because then it's adjustable. This is a dupe for the Free People Scout jacket, but I got from Amazon, and I've been obsessed with this. It's my favorite cover up. It's like a really good warmth for the summer because it's like jacket level, but it's like a button up. It just looks so cozy casual. I just love her. I've spoken about this top a lot, but I stand by it. From House of Harlow, and I got it from Marshalls. Just this like really thick ribbed top. I keep comparing it to the Aritzia Sculpt top. It is such good quality. And then I have two items from Free People, which I usually don't shop there, but I think this was like a little treat myself for the end of the school year. I've been eyeing this dress. I think it would look so cute with some cowboy boots. Can you believe it? This dress has pockets, which I am so here for. I've been obsessed with the little puffer sleeve style. The back is super cut out, just super light and perfect for summer. For the very last item of this haul, it's none other than this freaking little jumpsuit from Free People. When I saw it, it looked so comfy, and dang right it is comfy, but I still think it's so cute. You don't even gotta think about your outfit at all. I got it in this like light washed black color. I just absolutely love this. It has huge pockets. It's just so comfy. I can't get over it. The very last item of this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining. If you want to see more hauls, make sure to let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.